Fence Fencing. I'm Noel. I'm going to demonstrate how to do a 2-wire equine fence on some pickets and some tapes. So you can see here, pickets, which you'll need, of course, a driver for to put them in. A horse cap to go on top, like so, nice and easy. Okay, and we've got our pin lock insulators, which actually fit on the pickets, just like that. Okay, so we'll use all them three products to start with. Again, got a horse, a tape, which most people like, a lot of tapes. Good kind of roll, make it easy to use. Nice 10mm tape, 2mm roll, of course. Okay, we've got a straight insulator. Again, with straight insulators, you're going to need to tie them off, so you're going to need some fencing wire, some pliers, safety, of course, glasses and gloves when you're tying off wire. Earth stakes for the solar energizer. Just remember, you need an extra ticket to mount the solar energizer on. This is a little 1K model. And of course, once you're all done, warning signs for safety. Thank you, let's get going. These are O'Brien's picket topper. We're going to make a basic horse fence across the paddock here. You can see here there's actually a slot in there to line up on your picket. So if you keep your wire upwards, slide over, nice and easy. And if you're in undulating ground and there's a bit of pressure lifting the fence up, there's actually a hole through there. You can actually tie off through the hole there with a bit of wire so the pop doesn't pop off the top. Right, we'll keep going. Okay, going to fit a pin lock here. We're going to do it to the lift hole down. Applied an insulator, of course. The pin lock has two sides, a narrow, shorter area and a longer area. And the longer area is made for the picket itself to fit, because if you go into the shorter one, it won't fit, of course. Okay, so it's simple as putting it there, lining up your hole, putting your pin through, locking it in. One pin lock fitted. Okay, I'll go do the rest of them now. Okay, with that straight insulator we put on earlier, we just tie our tape. We're going to use tape for horses, of course. Third option. Again, make sure there's no tails or anything that can short out anywhere else. And we'll start threading. Goes in there like that. You can actually fit a bigger tape in there or a wire. There's actually got a little lock in there to actually stop the tape from actually popping out. As you can see, tapes also go into the pin locks quite easily. Just like that. Lots of room in there.